We are here in Guatemala for 2 days, mainly to travel on the railway. To start with, we visit the railway workshops and museum.
We are presently, in this short period of time, even though we don't have a lot of traffic, we have about 14% of the traffic that moves from the Atlantic coast to Guatemala City, which makes us the single largest transportation in the country of Guatemala. And the whole thing there's I really it's something that
Following the railway's complete closure in 1996, the railway has been taken over by the American-based Railway Development Corporation. From the decaying remains of a closed railway, they now operate one freight train a day from the Atlantic coast to Guatemala City, carrying steel and containers. And as the chief engineer said, this equates to about 14% of the traffic on this route. The rest, of course, is taken by road. It has all seen better days, but at least there is some future, unlike the day in 1996 when the workers put down their tools and went home for good, as the workshop and a whole railway closed suddenly that day. Having said that, there are problems with the authorities and closure may yet come again. Well, after a walk around the sprawling and barely used workshops, it's back to the office where the staff have laid on refreshments. Now on to the Railway Museum. This is on the site of the former station, which unfortunately burnt down. There are some fine exhibits in here and well worth a look round. Here is the consist for our special steam train for tomorrow.